So it was an area of really intense thunderstorms, and the area stayed over central Massachusetts for a fairly long period of time with the storms, the individual storms kind of reforming and coming back over the same areas, so that the heavy rainfall really built up over time. Been very hot here and very humid, so there's a lot of moisture in the air, which is related to climate change. So warmer air can hold more water, so the air was holding more water, and it all got squeezed out, but not with a tropical system. So things are changing. We also saw that earlier in the summer in Vermont, where we get these localized, very, very heavy flooding events that look like something you would see with a hurricane, but are not associated with tropical weather.
Oh, here actually. See the line? See the line?
We have sort of a choice ahead of us. We will be seeing more of these already this month in September. We've seen flooding all around the world, right? In Greece and Libya and Bulgaria and Brazil and China and Hong Kong. And we're seeing more of that. The Northeast US has seen an increase faster than most other parts of the US in terms of intense precipitation. So this is part of an existing trend for us.